What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and sell your crypto on Coinbase wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow these quick steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. The first step is to install Coinbase wallet, which you can do easily from Play Store. And once you have installed it, simply log into your account or create a new one. Once you have done that, you will see this kind of interface here. We'll go and click on the portfolio section on the bottom left. This portfolio section would have all of the assets we currently have in our wallet. Just simply click on the one we want to sell here. Once you've selected one, click on the trade option and select sell option. Here type in the amount of coin you want to sell and then click on preview sell button. Here check in the details, and if you're satisfied with the details, simply click on sell now button. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.